Hello, my name is Ivan, and today I'll be explaining to you how can you configure admin user permissions on your B2 core system. Alright, let's proceed with the back-office group permission configuration. In order to do so, go to System and Groups. Over here, you can see a set of groups already pre-configured, such as administrators, account managers, level 1 support, etc. If you want to edit the groups, click on the blue button and you can change the configuration of the group, such as view wallets, create wallets, and by clicking Save, the adjustments will be made. If you want to create a concrete new group, you click Create, you put a caption on it, Tech Support, and you can configure the rights that should be assigned for tech support. After clicking Save, the new group is created and the admin users can be assigned to it.